Good morning, Jason here, California Flooring Service. It's a beautiful day here in Southern California. Listen, I wanted to just let you know that when you're doing your wood flooring or your luxury vinyl installation, you have zero warranty from the manufacturer. Yeah, you heard me right. Zero warranty. You want to know why? Because your flooring contractor or installer is not doing any type of moisture testing. Are they doing the ASTM F2170 or the ASTM 1869 test? Probably not. And that's what you need by your manufacturer to have their warranty. Do me a favor. Before you buy your wood flooring, go online and look at their installation guidelines. You're going to see you will have zero warranty if there is not any moisture test done prior to installation and documented, okay? Let alone 48 hours of acclimation with the HVAC on for those 48 hours and 48 hours after installation. If none of those are done, you have zero warranty in the event something happens to your floors down the road. Zero. Okay? We happen to do testing for every project that we do, and we bring the material to the house 48 hours before installation, and we make sure your HVAC's on and that it's on after 48 hours after that. So we do all these proper testings. I document it. I give that to you. You file that away so that you have that, and that everybody's protected and you have your warranties going forward. But do me a favor. Even if I'm not installing your floor, look at the installation guidelines from the manufacturer. Do a deep dive on there. Read all that stuff. It's crazy. But you'll see if those one or both of those tests aren't performed. There's also a couple other ones as well that may be required or can be done, but that's for another video. But if those aren't done, forget it.